Of all the things I learned while working at YouTube headquarters, the secret of the power of 3 is my favorite. I wish I can show you a graph of their research, but they wouldn't let me take any photos when I was in the YouTube building, so this is a graph I made for you based on what I learned from one of the meetings. The percentage of people subscribing to a channel after watching one video from the channel is around 1%. The percentage of people subscribing to a channel after watching 2 videos back to back from the same channel is around 5%. Now comes the secret. The percentage of people subscribing to a channel after watching 3 videos back to back from the same channel is not 10%, not 20%, but get this, 30%. Do you know what this means? That means the likelihood of someone subscribing to your channel after watching 3 of your videos increases tremendously, making it the perfect sweet spot. I know what you may be thinking, but June, 30% is not that big of a deal. It's too low of a conversion rate. If you have taken my email marketing course, you'll know that if you can get 30% of people to open your emails when you send out a newsletter, you are considered a great marketer. And that's why I think of getting subscribers on YouTube very similar to getting people to sign up to your email list. To get people to sign up to your email list, you need to have a good lead magnet. One good lead magnet. To get people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, you need to have how many good videos? You got it. You need to have at least 3 good videos linked together in a playlist. Now imagine, after watching the dishwasher overflowing video, the person invites you to watch another short video in which he talks about how to easily fix small appliances in your kitchen. You will probably watch that, right? Now imagine, after watching that video, the person continues to invite you to another video about 5 things you can do inside of your house that will immediately decrease your electricity bill for the month. You'll probably watch that too, right? By guiding you along and quickly answering questions related to your original query, you are considering subscribing to this channel, right? And it only takes 3 videos, 3 lead magnets to capture and maintain people's attention. If you think about it, this magic number 3 can be found in our daily behavior as well. You are more committed to a Netflix show if the first 3 episodes of the show captures your attention and it isn't boring. You are more committed to an artist if you like at least 3 songs from the album. You are more committed to a relationship if the 3rd date you go on is an enjoyable one. And I wonder why Instagram have 3 columns. Anyways, the reason why one of the things we will be doing in this course is to help you create several playlists that are linked by 3 videos or more. This will increase not only your video ranking, your channel authority, but also get you subscribers. Cool, right? In fact, this 3 video strategy works so well that I'm going to use it on you to help you understand what you need to do to be successful on YouTube. Let's play a game. Watch the next 3 episodes with intention. You will see how with 3 videos, I will be able to explain how you will conquer the YouTube platform. In the next episode, I will explain why we don't focus on subscribers or monetization on YouTube. In the second episode, I will explain how small channels with small subscriber counts are able to make money and grow their business and influence without monetization. And in the third and final episode, I will explain why our success is inevitable, our weekly and monthly goals, how to immediately put everything we are learning into practice, immediately getting you results. I don't know about you, but as much as I enjoy making videos, I don't do it just for fun. I do it because it gets results, and that is what we will be doing. Okay, let's move on and talk about our master plan, what we are trying to accomplish in this course, and how we are going to do it.